Hey everyone, welcome back to Kiken channel. In today's video I'll show you two ways to create annotative text in AutoCAD. First, without using text style manager, directly setting the text height. Second, by creating an annotative text style with text height of 300. Let's jump right in. Annotative text in AutoCAD automatically adjusts to the viewport scale, keeping text readable in any size. This removes the need for multiple text styles and saves time. It makes sure text looks the same across different viewports, making job clear and consistent. This is especially useful for architectural or engineering projects with multiple scales. Step 1. Turning on annotation visibility. Before we begin, make sure you can see your annotative text properly. Go to bottom right corner of the AutoCAD screen. Find the Show Annotation Object icon and turn it on. Mine already on. This ensures all annotative text remain visible across different scales. Option 1. Without using Text Style Manager, manual text height control. This method lets you manually set the text height each time you place the text in your drawings. Go to top bar, annotative section. Click on the standard. Change to annotative. Notice default height, text height is 0.2. From the big A in the Annotate tab, select the multi-line text. Click anywhere on the floor plan to place the text. Text editor bar will appear. Type bedroom. Highlight the wood. Look at the text height field. In the text editor, it shows 0 height. Change it to 300. Press enter and click to place the text. In the property panel, the height will show 300. This is 300. If you need to change the font or text height again, highlight the text. In the text editor, select the font. Select the font. And change height to 200. Press enter. The change will appear in Remember. We can check again in the property panel. It's text height 200. This method gives you flexibility, but you have to manually adjust height every time. Option 2. Changing an annotative text style with fixed height 300 in Text Style Manager. This method ensures every annotative text you create is automatically set to 300 height, so you won't need to adjust manually. Go to Text Manager, click on the top bar, find the Annotative tab. Find the text style. In the text panel, click on the arrow next to it and select Manage Text Style. In Text Style Manager, select Annotative. It's a base style. Click New. Name Anon 300. Check the annotative box. It's clicked. See the paper text height 300. Click Apply and Close. Go to Annotated tab, select Annotated 300, already selected, and select the multi-line text. Click on the desired location in your floor plan. Type bedroom. Click outside the text finish box to finish. In the property panel, height, paper text height will be shown 300. The text will automatically pin at 300 height, keeping the size across different viewport scale. Now every time you use this text style, the height is already set. No need to manual adjustment. Which method should you use? Option 1, if you need different text height for different parts of your drawing. Or option 2, if you want all your annotative text to have a consistent height. That's all for today. If this was helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AutoCAD tips. Let me know in comments, do you prefer setting text manually or using fixed style? See you in next video.